We'll guide you through how to download videos from Safari on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Maybe you need some videos for a project or just want to save them. Whatever the reason, here's how to do it. Start by opening Safari on your iPhone. Now head to the website where you want to download videos. If you're not sure which site to use, a great one is pixabay.com. They offer free videos you can download. Once you're on the site, scroll and browse through the available videos or use the search bar to find what you're looking for. When you find a video you like, tap on it to open it. You'll see a play button to preview it and a download button at the top. Tap the download button and select your preferred quality, for example 1080p. Next, tap download again when the pop-up appears. Safari will now start downloading the video. To check the progress, tap the blue arrow at the bottom left of Safari, then go to Downloads. There you'll see the video file listed. Once it finishes downloading, close Safari. Now open the Files app on your iPhone, go to Recents, and your video will be right there, ready to watch or share. That wraps up this quick tutorial. For more helpful tech videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel.